Hello everyone and welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you the replacement power supply for 4K Freesat boxes, and I'll also tell you how to get one for yourself. This is the official one I got from Freesat themselves directly. You can use a third-party one, but you have to be careful as some have been known to catch fire and are a bit dangerous like that. So if, like me, you're worried about that, you probably would prefer to get a replacement original. At least it'll be safe because it's all properly tested, and it's not just claiming to be tested. It is actually gone through everything, properly tested and everything, so it should be safe. First, let's take a look at the power supply. It's very similar to the one that came with my Freesat box and probably the same as yours. This replacement is different to mine because it has these lines on the back, and the part around the pins are flush with the rest of the power supply body, and the sticker is a bit different. I mean, this power supply may look exactly the same as yours if you recently got your Freesat box, but if you got yours a couple of years ago like I did, yours was probably the same as mine, and it probably doesn't look like this. Apart from those differences though, it's the same power supply with the same rating and all that. But if you'd like to get this power supply for yourself, you need to contact Freesat directly. You can do this via chat on their website, email, or on Twitter. I did it on Twitter, and they asked for my model number of my Freesat box, which is on the underside of your Freesat box. They also ask you for your serial number, which is the S/N number below it. They'll also ask you for your address so they can send you the power supply. If you're wondering how much it'll cost, it's actually completely free. They don't ask you for payment details or anything. You don't have to pay for the power supply, and you don't have to pay for the postage, so that's really good. You will have to pay if you live in Ireland or another country though. I haven't tried it, but I highly doubt they'd send it to you if you live outside the UK. So I just gave them my AddressPal address, and they sent it to that, which is based in England. There are other services. I think Parcel Motel is one, and there's other similar services, so you can use any of them really, as long as it has a UK address that they can send it to, and then the company sends it to you. But that's it for this video. This is how to get a replacement power supply for your 4K Freesat box. So thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.